Hi everyone, my name is Raul with Active Products. Welcome to the Active 2.3 support video series. In today's video, we'll look at how you can replace the inlet and outlet of the Active 2.3 pressure washer pump. The main reason to replace the inlet or outlet of the pressure washer is mainly down to wearing of the threads or as a result of corroding surfaces over time. It's important to note that there's another key reason for replacing the outlet of the 2.3. It's because inside this outlet, we have the unloader spring and valve. Let's look at a quick step-by-step guide of how to remove and replace the inlet and outlet of the pressure washer pump. You'll need a small pick, a size 10 Allen key, as well as some fastening glue to remove and install the outlet of the pump. Step 1. Use the pick to carefully remove the inlet filter screen. Step 2. Take the size 10 Allen key and rotate counterclockwise to loosen the nut on the inlet. Step 3. Remove the complete set of the inlet kit and take the new kit for installation. Step 4. Apply fastening or sealant around the exterior of the plug and insert the plug around the exterior of the brass cover. Step 5. Place the inlet construction inside the pump and use the Allen key to tighten in place. Step 6. Place the water filter over the inlet cover, replacing the outlet of the pressure washer pump. You'll need an adjustable wrench to remove and install the outlet of the pump. Step 1. Use the adjustable wrench to remove the outlet by rotating counterclockwise. Step 2. You'll see that there is an O-ring around the outlet. Remove the outlet and the unloader valve as well as the spring from inside the pump construction. Step 3. Install the new unloader valve by placing the spring, valve, and then outlet in that order. Step 4. Ensure the O-ring is there on the outlet plug and use the adjustable wrench to tighten it in place. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you need any further assistance with your Active 2.3, please don't hesitate to write to us at support@activeproducts.com. We would love to hear from you. Hope you all have a great day and see you in the next video.